Doors. Okay, we're gonna give you a full tour of room 310 of Gloria Estefan's Costa de Este Hotel. You walk in the room, there's immediately a bathroom, there's a full-length mirror. You want to see them. You're met by the bathroom. You have a toilet here, you have a seat there, you have storage here. This is just initial bathroom. You have this beautiful marble pretty much everywhere. You put a full-length mirror, light, and then believe it or not, this first room, also covered in this gorgeous marble tile, has a full-sized shower with a stool. They use Spa Vero products, but boy, it's just gorgeous. There's these feathers and art pretty much throughout. The doors are beautiful, and they have this frosted glass. This is a utility closet here. As you come into the room, you see this is a suite. It is gorgeous. You have initially here this sort of random sink. Again, you have all these marble tiles everywhere, and then you have this dark walnut wood covering the entire suite. Just gorgeous. And that goes all the way up to the ceiling here. So, but you just can't beat it. As you walk in, you do have lights. The lighting is all sort of indirect and plug-in, more or less. You've got some indirect lighting there as well. You have a couch and a chair. Couch is a full pull-out, got a coffee table. Really nice little breakfast nook here. We'll get to the balcony after, but there's, in both rooms, there's this sort of dresser with a TV above it that has all sorts of storage and drawers here, TV, but then you have this, this is sort of the primary storage, hanging storage. It is massive. So, all right, so as you walk through here, I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to show you the balcony. There's a balcony that is joined, but you'll have a door here, a locking door. And as you come through, you're going to see a lot of the same. You've got this seating lounge here. You have this sort of dresser here. It's all, again, with the marble, but these are all drawers. Little lights. We're at the we're at the northeast corner. So we're sort of right at the corner. You have this circular window. We're on the third floor of the hotel. Again, you've got this dark walnut wood. You've got a California king-sized bed that's sort of low set on a low frame. The backrest is, again, really pretty, just nice art everywhere. And you've got this dark sort of walnut wood here. You've got, again, this long marble TV, this long marble cabinet and dresser. I mean, it's just massive. You do have a refrigerator here, as well as a safe. So as you come into the room, there's, in addition to the sort of bedstand that way, there's another one here. There are two lights. There's a plug on that side of the bed, and on this side of the bed, there are two regular American plugs. There are 3 USB and 1 USB-C ports. This is another pull-out as well. Won't pull that out, but as you turn around from the bed, you're going to see this full-size tub that's just open purely to the daylight. It is gotta be 2.5 feet deep. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has a frosted back that is a nook here, shampoo nook here, and you have a you have a frosted glass here, and if you want to open this up, it does open so into the bathroom. So I mean, look at this, it's just absolutely gorgeous. This frosted glass here is you'll see is the shower. The shower is very nice. Again, it's these subway tiles, these sideway positioned subway tiles with the frosted glass. It's not a rainfall shower, but it may as well be. You've got 2 shower heads. You've got a seat here. You have your shampoo nook, and then you've got your 2 controls and your water temperature. Pretty straightforward. Toilet, and another parts pretty consistent. Robes, and again, you've got the same marble coated, marble tops vanity with some drawers, a seat, hair dryer, and mirror. And you've got this really, again, really heavy frosted glass door. And then finally we've got this more hanging storage here. Not as big as the other, but there's just ample amount of storage all over for a long vacation. And finally, let's take a look at this balcony. The entire balcony has this complete blackout shade. I mean, this is, this is east, so sunrise. You're getting the sun straight up over the ocean right there, which can be bright. I don't know why anybody would complain about that, but that is what it is. And then if you come out here, you'll see there's not a lot more you could get for paradise than this. So you've got your outdoor furniture. The ocean is literally right here. The beach is right here. You can see, if you look at the beach, there are the turtle egg markings. This balcony goes all the way down, so you've got 2 balconies for each room. And we are on the 3rd floor. You'll see that there is dining right below us. I'm sorry, I don't think that is dining. I think those are from the rooms below. But you do have the pool right here. The bar is right beside the pool. And you can just walk out to the beach right from there. And so that pretty much wraps it up. It's pretty gorgeous accommodations. That's the view from the balcony of the room. And let me give you a view of the other room. And there it is right there. So this is the Suite 310 at the Costa de Este Beach Resort and Spa. I hope you have enjoyed this video and that it helps you make some decisions about where you may want to plan your vacation in the future. I would not hesitate for a moment to stay in this beautiful place.
So now you're walking through the main dining room on the 1st floor of the hotel next to reception. They do put some food out in the morning, but as Gloria Estefan's hotel, you're of course going to have a Cuban-influenced breakfast, lunch, and dinner menu. All sorts of great options to choose from, many unique options. As you leave the restaurant, to the right side, you will see the bathrooms and some rooms. Right in front of you will be valet, and to the right of that is reception. As you walk out the back, you're going to see on the right side the main pool. On the left side here, you'll see the hotel bar. And as you continue to make your way up toward the ocean, you're going to see also the infinity hot tub. And as you walk through the gate, you're going to walk out onto the beach. When you get onto the beach, there's going to be a little stand there where there are people who work for the hotel. They put out all of these chairs and umbrellas every single morning They also have boogie boards and surfboards and other things that you're able to use for free right there at the hotel. The surf really does vary. The current there can be very strong. They do put flags up for you to be able to tell how strong the surf is, all the way up to being dangerous and to warn against swimming. And from Memorial Day on, you're going to see a flag out here that marks a shipwreck from about 1800 that you can paddle on to and take a look at. So that's the Costa in Vero Beach, Florida. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I hope this gave you a little view into the hotel. It's a wonderful gem of a place. Really hope that you enjoy it if you do end up staying there, as I did.